Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic idea. It's here, and it's transforming the world faster than most people can imagine. In less than a decade, AI has gone from a research lab curiosity to a powerful force capable of automating tasks, analyzing massive amounts of data, and even creating content. But with this rapid evolution comes a question that is making millions of workers nervous. Which jobs will disappear because of AI? In this video, we're counting down the 10 jobs AI is most likely to replace by the year 2030. And if your profession is on this list, it might be time to start planning your next move. Let's begin. Number 10. Telemarketers. You've probably already noticed it. Instead of a human voice trying to sell you something over the phone, you're now hearing AI-powered voices that sound incredibly natural. These systems can make thousands of calls per hour, adapt their pitch depending on your responses, and even answer follow-up questions without getting tired or frustrated. By 2030, experts believe almost all outbound sales calls will be handled entirely by AI, making human telemarketers nearly obsolete. Number 9. Bookkeepers. Managing financial records has always been a meticulous job, but AI-driven accounting software can now process transactions, track expenses, generate reports, and even forecast trends far more accurately than humans. Small businesses are already switching to automated systems like QuickBooks with AI integrations, and larger corporations are using even more advanced platforms. The result? Fewer human bookkeepers, more machines doing the math. Number 8. Proofreaders and translators. With AI language models advancing at lightning speed, the need for human proofreaders and translators for standard non-specialized content is shrinking. Tools like Grammarly and DeepL can now produce near-perfect results for everyday writing. Sure, specialized translation like legal or literary still requires humans, but the bulk of routine work will be gone. Number 7. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout machines were only the beginning. AI-powered checkout systems can now scan items instantly, process digital payments, and even use cameras to recognize products without barcodes. Amazon's Just Walkout technology is a prime example, where customers simply grab their items and leave, with payment handled automatically by AI in the background. Number 6. Travel agents. 20 years ago, booking a vacation meant visiting a travel agency. Today, most people do it online. By 2030, AI will make human travel agents almost unnecessary for all but the most complex, luxury trips. AI assistants will be able to compare thousands of travel options in seconds, predict weather and price changes, and customize itineraries to fit your preferences perfectly. Number 5. Customer service representatives. This is one of the most rapidly disappearing roles. AI chatbots can now handle complex customer service issues, provide 24/7 support, and even detect emotions in your voice to respond appropriately. By 2030, most companies will rely almost entirely on AI for first-level customer interactions, leaving humans only for extremely complicated or sensitive cases. Number 4. Data entry clerks. Copying numbers from one place to another used to be a full-time job. Now, AI can read, process, and store information automatically from documents, images, and even handwritten notes. This type of repetitive rule-based work is exactly what AI excels at, making human data entry one of the most endangered jobs of the next decade. Number 3. Paralegals for routine legal work. AI won't replace top-tier lawyers anytime soon, but it's already handling much of the repetitive legal research and document preparation that used to require paralegals. Platforms like Harvey AI are capable of analyzing case law, drafting contracts, and reviewing documents at incredible speed. Number 2. Middle management in routine operations. Yes, even some management positions are at risk. AI decision-making systems can monitor performance metrics, allocate resources, and optimize workflows without the biases or limitations of human managers. While leadership and strategic thinking still require humans, many routine middle management tasks will be automated. Number 1. Basic journalists and content writers. AI writing tools can already create news articles, sports recaps, and even SEO blog posts, faster and cheaper than human writers. Media companies are beginning to use AI for routine reporting, leaving human journalists to handle only investigative or highly creative work. The bottom line, AI is not coming for just low-skilled jobs, it's moving up the ladder. But here's the good news. Every job loss creates opportunities for new ones. The key is adaptation. The people who survive and thrive in the AI revolution will be those who learn to work with these tools, not against them. So, if your job is on this list, now is the perfect time to start building new skills, because the future isn't waiting for anyone.